In this video, I'm going to show you how to put apps on desktop on Windows 11. It's pretty simple and easy, so make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your Windows desktop, right click and proceed to select personalization. Under personalization, scroll down a bit and select themes. Then on this interface, you have to scroll down again till you locate desktop icon settings and click on it. A pop-up menu have opened. Then you have to navigate, then select the icon that you wish for it to appear on your PC's desktop. So in my case, I want to proceed to select on recycle bin and computer. Then after that, I'll proceed to click on apply, then proceed to select on OK. So when I minimize this window, now we have the recycle bin and the PC appeared on our PC's desktop. In order for us to add any other apps such as calculator or anything that we want to appear on this interface, we can proceed to select on this start menu again. Then you have to navigate and click on this icon, all apps, then search for a desired app or game that you want to place it on your desktop. In my case, I want to place the calculator. So after locating it, I can proceed to click on it, then drag it and place it on any area that I want it to appear. This is so fantastic. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.